What's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing these tie-down rails on my brand new 2017 Tacoma that I just got. So let's get started. So before I install it, I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. Obviously it comes with the rails. The rails do come raw, so you do need to know that it is going to be a raw finish when you get it. But I got mine powder coated black. It was 40 bucks at my local place. Not bad at all, and they turned out great, as you can see. So super happy with that. They're going to come with some instructions, some bolts, washers, all that kind of stuff, some stickers, and all you're going to need is a 9/16 wrench. That's it. It's super easy to install this thing. Let's do it. Alright guys, as I do not have three hands, I'm going to show you guys how to install it first. So we have some grade 8 bolts and washers. Super happy to see that I got grade 8 stuff and not crappy zinc that I'll have to worry about rusting. So super awesome. Now it does thread into this piece. You're gonna have a bunch of these. These are like little T-shaped almost pieces. What they're gonna do is you're gonna need to buy this rail if you do have a 3rd gen Tacoma. If you have a 2nd gen, you already got it. But 3rd gen Tacoma, link down in the description if you need it. It's just an Amazon link. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece, we're going to slide it in behind the piece right there into that first rail that I was just talking about, and it's going to lock in. Now how it's going to work is you're basically going to put this in between it and then the bolt on the other side, and that's going to tighten it as you see there. Super simple. It can't get much easier. I mean, you only need one tool to do it, so that's how you're going to do it. And then just make sure you do the one on this side, as there is one mounting bracket on this side as well. So and I'm going to try to slide it up as much as possible, just because you can kind of adjust it, but I want it all the way up as much as I can. So I'm going to have it like this. So I'm going to kind of tighten that up, holding it. And kind of go over and tighten them all up a little bit. Alright, so I just got the right side done. There is what it looks like. It looks awesome. I'm super happy with it. Those grade 8 bolts are perfect. I even like how the gold kind of goes against it, sort of. I know it's kind of weird, but I do. But yeah, it looks awesome. I am going to go ahead and do the right side, and then I'll show you the final product. One thing I do recommend when installing this is kind of get it all lined up, all these things sort of close. That way when you actually go to put it on, the bolts are kind of going to be ready. So I recommend doing that. Alright guys, so that is it. It looks awesome. I love how it turned out. It looks great in the bed of the truck. Definitely doesn't take away from it or anything. It actually adds to it, if anything. The little bottle opener thing's pretty cool. I don't know how you're going to use it with all this stuff in the way, but if you find a way to use it, great, whatever. You know, it at least makes it look cool. And then the little slots right here are for you to put your tires in, so that way it doesn't move side to side, so that's nice. Though it does have to be at the right height in the truck, so it depends on how big or small, I guess, your bike is. But yeah, all the way around though, it turned out really good. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and now I have so many more places to tie down the bikes. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment what you think about this thing. I recommend it to anybody with a 2nd gen or 3rd gen Tacoma. I'm not sure if it fits the 1st gen, I'll let you know. But this thing is awesome. It's a good price. It does come raw, so that is something to think about. So you're going to need to get it powder coated. You could get it painted, but I highly recommend powder coating it, not spray painting it or something. Grade 8 bolts, easy to install. Man, I recommend this thing. I love it. First mod on the truck. Can't wait to do more, but definitely had to get this done first. So highly recommend it. But anyways guys, take it easy, and hope you guys enjoyed.